Hey y'all, I'm back again. Well, I've got quite a bit of fluffy insulation up there, and then I put the reflectix up to assist in holding it. That twine trick was total BS. It did not, it worked eventually, but just going ahead and stringing it all the way across there and then trying to put that in there, no. The twine kept breaking. I just bought cheap twine, like $4 or $5 roll, but still. Anyway, so I had to put some up. I stapled a piece to the board, held some up, run the twine across it, and then staple it, and holding it up. 3 or 4 handed job, 2 hands and 1 bald head. But I've got that up there, and I got the reflectix up. I cut it around the air conditioner quite crudely. And I stuck me some paint sticks in here to hold that up for right now because it's flush with the ceiling itself. So anything I make is going to have to angle upwards so I don't block the output of the air. But that'd be alright. Anyway, I don't know. I still want to try to see if I can't make a spacer for that so my whole roof can be flat. But it's probably possible. I've got basic tools. A drill, a circular saw, then I've got an angle grinder somewhere, but I only bought it to make the roof rack for the solar panels on the old van. Anyway, so I don't have any way of actually 3D printing a big square plastic spacer or anything like that. I could probably cut some out of tin and shape it up. I don't know. I'll get into that a little later. But this needed to be cut around it anyway, so hey. Now, I'm going to stop there for the evening. But, hey, there's one more step I've taken so far. I do have the roof insulated. That way, when I do get whatever ceiling material I'm going to use, I can just put it up and secure it, and it should hold all this up as well. We'll see. Anyway, like I said before, I've never done a high top van, and my other van, I put up some ceiling boards that I used from an old pallet or two, but even those were too much. They're at least a ½ inch thick, and I think it was just too much. I'd be happy with just a sheet of plywood, a 1/8 inch thick sheet of plywood with some kind of cool print like pallet boards or something like that on it. But then again, I may go the route of tongue and groove cedar. It's very nice when I see it in videos. People use it in their vans. It looks very nice. I hear it ain't cheap, but hey, if this is going to be my home for 4 or 5 years, I'm going to want it nice, ain't I? Yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. That's my progress for the day, and I think I'm going to go sit down and have me a cold beverage and watch some van life videos on YouTube. Yeah, that's what I do. I live in a van and I watch van videos. But anyway, that's what I did. That's what it's looking like. I'll turn around so you can see the other end of it. I did roll some up above that. I cut probably 3.5, 4 feet extra just so I can go down behind there and do the front. If I take that box out and do a framework up there, I may not even do that. So I probably just slide the box out, let the reflectors fall down behind it, put it back and screw it back in place. Might stick an upright in the middle because of that sag. I don't know. Hey, it's already here. It's already built. I did take all the panels out of here. There were pockets and stuff all along the high top, but it was just that cheap press board stuff, and it was covered in carpet and it was all stained up, and I probably won't even use it. I'll probably just build some cabinets, recessed cabinetry in here. I don't know. We'll see. It's all a see as I go kind of thing. But I'm learning new stuff too, because, wow. Anyway, I'm going to call it an evening. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.